How to get Dominus in Rocket League. First things first, Dominus is actually a rare car in which you can only obtain it by downloading a DLC pack. So first things first is just quit or just exit on your Rocket League game. Now once you have exited it, all you have to do next is to find the file location of the DLC pack, specifically only for the Dominus. Now, if you already downloaded it, just rerun the game and head over directly to your garage. If the download pack you have obtained is not visible on your Rocket League garage, then what you want to do is just to purchase separately a DLC pack on which you have used the platform. So for example, you are trying to use the Rocket League game via the PSN or any platforms out there. So you should be purchasing it depending on where you have created the account to. And that's it. That's how you get Dominus and Rocket League.